Sam, what does it mean to race in London at home and in this special position in the championship?
It's very nice to be racing back at home. Also for Jaguar, 17 years away from racing on home soil, so big event for Jaguar, big days for me as well. Obviously I want to put on a good show for home fans and we'll see what happens.
And a very nice location. Do you have the opportunity to see when they are building the circuit or not?
No, not really, no. I've been too busy doing other things with Formula E. I came here a couple of years ago when there was nothing, but it was difficult to envisage, so it's nice to get out there during shakedown and see what the track was like.
What do you think about the circuit and especially about the track, half indoor, half outdoor?
Yeah, it's fun. I mean, the indoor bit is great fun, lots of grip, and then you transition to outside, different grip level, very tight and technical. Whether or not there'll be a lot of overtaking, I'm not sure, but it'll be a great event.
If you can choose, with rain or without rain?
I'm not sure. Maybe being in Group 1, maybe a bit of rain will be good for us. I'm not sure, but we'll see.
Thank you.
Thank you. Cheers.